Hi there, welcome to GridMate Learning Channel. Today we will do a demo for the Config Wizard. The Config Wizard is an admin tool that simplifies the configuration of smart grids. However, it cannot be accessed during Lightning page editing in the Lightning App Builder. The Config Wizard is a runtime component that can only be run through component quick actions by a logged-in user who is a GridMate administrator. A GridMate administrator can either be an admin or a user with the GridMate admin permission set, which is managed by the GridMate package. We split the demo into smaller sections, dedicating each one to a specific feature, in order to achieve our objective. Let's begin with a custom icon. As you can see here, we need to change this icon. For that, go to Config Wizard by clicking on the gear icon. Go to the custom icon. Choose the icon that you want. In our case here, let's select a standard opportunity. Copy this config. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Paste the configuration here. Click Save and back. As you can see, our icon has changed. Thank you for watching.